Welcome to the SOLTECH BROADWAY Plus 10-watt 20-watt installation video. The BROADWAY Plus includes an additional solar panel to increase energy harvest and is offered in a 10-watt and 20-watt version. The BROADWAY Plus accessory panel maximizes energy harvest by supporting north and south-facing energy collection. BROADWAY Plus is equipped with a wall mount bracket. Space from the wall surface to the fixture is 3 inches. To ensure successful installation, secure the wall mount to the fixture using 3 screws on each side. Insert 4 screws directly into the installation surface, then attach the fixture. The BROADWAY Plus external panel can be mounted directly behind or above the fixture. Please ensure to follow the illustrated pattern for a secured installation. To adjust the panel tilt angle, use the knob on the side of the panel to fasten the desired angle. Please refer to the installation manual to identify the optimal tilt angle for your project location. Using the cable linked to the panel, connect to the luminaire's input. Then press the on-off button to power the light. On the side of the fixture, you will notice the charging display indicating that the light is active and will commence natural dusk to dawn operation. For more information, please visit www.soltechlighting.com.